Hello and welcome to the Vincelli channel. So today we're going to talk about a couple of different things, a couple of the add-ons that I've done to the T32 here. So you first of all have got the, bring you around here, so we've got the side steps just here. So these are fitted by myself, quite easy, didn't need to do any drilling. I think they're about £170. Yeah, well worth it, make the car look really good. The next one is the window air vent deflectors, rain deflectors if you want to call them. They weren't expensive. I think they were probably 20 or 30 quid for the set of 4 off eBay or Amazon or one of them. Yeah, really good. The other things are things to watch out for on the T32s if you're thinking about buying one. So the ones with the panoramic sunroofs, they leak. All do it. It is inevitable. I think the brand new models from about 2020 they changed. So underneath the scuttle panel just here, on both sides, there is a filter as such, where the drain channels run down here and eventually get blocked up and they start leaking into the cabin, and you'll find water underneath the seats. So a quick and easy fix, it literally takes 20 minutes. So you take the windscreen wipers off, just one bolt, pull them off, unclip the scuttle panel, you have to open your bonnet, and I unbolted the wiper motor as well to give you full access, and you then just rip out the little filters. Just be gentle, it's only a little tiny, it's not even a filter actually, it's just like a plastic nodule that sits there and gets blocked up. Doesn't serve any purpose really, and then you won't have any issues after that. It rarely happens to the rear pipes on the back, but for the rear ones you've got to undo the cowling, if you like, on the rear wheel, and get to the nodule there. So okay, so that's for the exterior features. The also other thing to watch out for is, if you're thinking of buying one, is the timing chain. The timing chain, it's not so much the chain itself, it's the cover. So it has a timing chain cover on the driver's side. It's a black cover and it's not got a gasket on it. It's got a sealant, a grey sealant that they use now. Don't ask me why, maybe cheapness or whatever, but they use this sealant, and over time I'm guessing the oil just degrades the sealant. A bit of a big job to get done. If you go to a main dealer's, it's about £1,000, because of labour costs, I suppose. Not really many parts. You might need to use a new couple of bolts or whatever, because they stretch when you torque them up. But it's inevitable, it'll just start leaking. Not a massive leak, not even enough to top it up once a month already. It's minute, but it's just annoying. This one has been done by Nissan when I first bought the car, just something to keep an eye on. Don't do short journeys if it's a diesel, it'll get clogged up. I'm not too bad because I do 13 miles each day, each way as well, so 26 miles to work at a decent speed, and there's no traffic, so there's no stop start all the time. So that's pretty much the issues with the Nissan T32. So obviously if you've got one, let's go inside and I'll show you on the next part of the video the upgrade inside. Okay, so this is the second part of the video where we're inside the T32. I've got the Tecna X Trail with full leather, 4-wheel drive, 7 seats, so it's top of the range, top spec one. So it did come with a standard Nissan radio, which is rubbish, and you'll check out my other videos. I've upgraded to the Sinosmart, absolutely faultless radio, really good. And as you can see, this is a start-up time from when you first get into the car. Sorry, it's on CarPlay. So there you go, it's almost instant. This is the new 2025 Sinosmart model with the full laminated display. The touchscreen is absolutely fantastic on it, and it's very responsive. It's almost immediately straight on as soon as you, so there's no lag at all whatsoever, even on the maps, and there's a lot of data to pull up there. So what a couple of people are asking, another thing on this new 2025 model, which you'll see, I can turn off the ignition completely, and yes, it's still running. So a couple of people are a bit funny about these models. So you tend to go for a cheaper, you click on the Sinosmart website and you go for the cheaper model. Don't do it, because you need, there is units on there that are like £100 and stuff, and don't be wowed by it, because you need the RAM and the memory and stuff to keep up with updates for the software, because these do over the air updates. As if you can see here, you go into the settings, system, there you go, you got over the software updates. Sorry, the beeping is me stupid next base camera keep connecting and disconnecting to my phone because I've left my Bluetooth on. So yeah, you can check for updates over the air. Yeah, so it's updated anyway. I only did that today, so you can update these over the air. And these cheaper versions that you see on Amazon and on eBay, don't be wowed by the price, because they run fake versions of Android and you can't update them, and they're very buggy, they're very laggy. They're okay for the first couple of weeks, and then it becomes almost unusable. So Sinosmart is the one to go for genuine usage and usability. It does wireless Apple CarPlay. The ones that you see for cheaper on Amazon and eBay don't do wireless. They are just wired only. So on this model, you also keep the use of your USB. You get a spare USB. I've just put mine here. You also get the use of a SIM card if you want to put it in the back, so you've got full internet all times, or you can hotspot it off your phone. What else can I say? I've had it well over a year now, and it's absolutely fantastic. I don't know whether it'll get Waze because it's not connected to my phone. I'm not sure whether I've got the mobile data is actually off at the moment, so I'll turn that on, and there we go. It's pulled up the maps straight away. It just won't connect to my phone while I'm doing a video. Had this issue before. It's to do with the processing of my phone. It can't do lots of things at the same time, like connecting to a radio for internet. Nothing to do with the system. But yeah, they're absolutely faultless, and yet your 360 camera works, your park assist works. You don't lose anything regards that. The only thing you do lose, and I didn't really used to use it anyway, your turn by turn on your dash. You don't get that anymore, which I never used to look at anyway. You just concentrate on the maps really. And the miles per hour sign on your dash at the top here, I'd say 80% of it works. You will not get a system out there where your turn by turn and your miles per hour system will work with any other system. It is a Nissan unit only. So for losing them two little things, you gain absolutely masses. I mean, the DAB radio is absolutely fantastic. It really is. I'm not going to have any sound on it at the moment because I don't want to get told off. So let's just turn that on off there, because that was an advert, thank goodness. But yeah, it is absolutely brilliant. So if you want to have one of these, you can go direct through AliExpress, and in the comments section on the right hand side where it says notes or comments just before you place your order, if you type in the Vincelli channel, you will get free adapter cables for your sat-nav and DAB aerial, so you use your genuine car factory original sat-nav and DAB antenna. They will be sent out to you with the radio free of charge. Usually costs about £40 for them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and leave any comments below, and I shall get back to you as soon as possible. So please subscribe, and I shall see you again with some more hints and tips in the future.